As your schedule grows, helping your customers find exactly what they need becomes a top priority. Today, we're looking at filter buttons. While they take a little bit of setup, they're a powerful way to create a clear and easy to navigate booking experience. Filter buttons live at the top of your public page. They act as shortcuts, instantly showing your customers specific groups of events like those tagged for online classes or a specific location, without the need to scroll through your entire list of events. Filter buttons are also a great way to boost engagement with your upcoming seasonal events. Create a button for Easter events, summer specials, and more, making these events easy to find and book. To make creating buttons easy, we've created a Filter Link Builder Google Sheet. You don't need to write any code from scratch. The sheet does all of the heavy lifting for you. You can find the link to this sheet in our help article. Simply make a copy to get started. Inside the Builder Sheet, you'll enter a few things. Your Bookwhen public page link. Make sure this is not your admin URL. The sheet will not work if the wrong URL is entered. Next, choose how you'd like to filter the schedule, either by entry, location, tag, or from a specific date. If you've not used tags before, now could be a good time to explore this useful feature. Check out the help article on tags. Follow the instructions for specifying your unique tag, location, or entry information. For entries and locations, you must locate the specific URL. These are found within your admin account while editing the entry or leader profile. Next, customize your button. Choose a color. Add a title that will appear on your public page. Pro tip, add emojis to add personality and make buttons stand out. The sheet will generate your HTML code. Simply highlight it and copy it. Please be sure to not edit or delete anything in that cell of the sheet, as this will break the sheet. As a reminder, you can use the same sheet to create any number of buttons. To create more buttons, be sure to copy your code first, and then update the fields for your next button. With the custom button code copied, let's head back to Bookwhen. Open your public page, then select Customize Page in the top right corner. Scroll down to the General Information section and paste your code. If you have multiple buttons, paste each snippet one after the other. Don't worry if the code looks a bit strange in the text box. Once you hit Save and refresh your page, those snippets transform into styled, clickable buttons. If you want to stack them vertically instead of side by side, you can add a simple break tag, which we've detailed in the article. With your new filter buttons, your customers are one click away from finding their next event. It's a small setup that makes a big difference to the booking experience. If you get stuck on the code, our support team is just a chat message away.